Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about our upcoming trip. We are so excited. We will be going to Yellowstone. We want to get there before this volcano erupts. I think the reason that we put these videos together is because we know that some of you guys may want to do things like this, and for whatever reason you're not capable. Whether it's because of physical limitations or financial. We kind of look at it like you get to live vicariously through us and go out there. And I was thinking today, and one of the things that I would really like to do on this trip, because I have never been out west, so I'm going to be completely in awe, I think. I've lived my entire life in New Jersey, which is a very small, condensed, crowded area. So when I get out further and I see how big and vast the land is, I'm just amazed. I want to share that with you, and I want you to see that wonder and awe through my eyes, because some of you may not have been out there, and maybe you would be experiencing it the same way. I remember seeing this person one time. I guess they were from, the middle of the country, and it was quite obvious it was the first time they ever stuck their toes in the ocean. And they were just like over the top with excitement. And I think that's how I'm going to be with seeing this stuff. And like I said, what we hope to do is share that with some of you guys, and so that you can experience it if you're unable for whatever reason, that you can come along with us, kind of, sort of. We still hope to get some tours of campers. I think we'll get more, actually, when we go out west, because New Jersey's so little. There's probably not many campers on the East Coast, especially cargo campers. So I think we're gonna see a lot of them. What I love about doing tours on our channel is that we put other people on the channel, and they get so excited when they realize, oh my God, I'm gonna be on YouTube. And I love that. I really, really love it. It's not so much that I like looking at all the tours and their builds and seeing what they did, but their excitement of knowing that they're being interviewed for YouTube and they're going to be put up on there. I just really enjoy that. And you will be our first bus tour.
Oh.
Yes.
That's awesome.
So we're going to continue to do that. One of these last trips we were at, we ran into a couple who was from England, and they were bicycling all across the Northeast. And they were here for months. And I wanted so much to ask them for an interview, but I don't know, I just felt awkward. I mean, they didn't have a camper. They had a little tent. I think what I want to do is, if we run into interesting stories like that, I would like to put them up on our channel too. I just have to be brave enough sometimes to ask them if they wouldn't mind giving us an interview. But, the people, the stories are what make these channels. We're super, super, super excited because we decided to update our merchandise in honor of our trip out west. So we've got some new designs.
We have new merch and we cannot lie. Check out our store and don't ask why. Buy a mug or buy a shirt, 'cause Stinky really gives a squirt. Show the world that you're a fan of the Cargo Camper Man. We have merch and we cannot lie. Come on in and make a buy.
Hopefully we'll be donning them pretty soon. But we're looking at it like, if, we can sell some cool merch or shirts, and maybe it'll help us, with some of the gas prices when we're driving across the country. One of my favorite YouTube channels is the Y Files.
All right. What's this?
I got a sponsor.
You've got a sponsor? Why do you need a sponsor?
Inflation. Fish food is costing me a fin and a fin.
When they sell their merchandise, they ask people to take pictures of it, and then they put them up on rolling credits on the back or on a website or whatever, Facebook. I want to do the same thing. I think it'll be so fun to build like this community, So if you buy any merch, we ask that you take a picture of it, and whether it's a coffee mug, a shirt, whatever it is, be as creative as you want, as long as we can put it online and it's not R-rated. And we're looking forward to that. The other thing that Rick and I were talking about, you know how there's like schoolie tours and stuff where all the schoolies get together and they go camping, or the vans and stuff. We were wondering if there's anything like that for cargo trailer conversions. There may be, but in New Jersey and on the East Coast, we're probably limited. So it's something that we may look into if there's any interest in doing on the East Coast, if we could set something like that up. 2 weeks before we're getting ready to leave across the country, this has got to go in the shop.
Needs a rear end, so that's something my van and I both have in common.
I'm stressing out here. Let's see if we get this done.
Oh, come on. I've been packed for weeks. I really want to go out west.
Well, Stinky, the van is in the shop right now, and hopefully we'll have it back in under a week, and everything will be good to go for the trip.
Man, this is stressful. I need a drink. So, yo, be sure to check out the store and buy a shirt or a mug or something so Rick can get his rear end fixed.
So stay tuned. We will keep you updated. That's a wrap, everyone. You know what to do if you like this video.
You all come back now, you hear?